Hey, welcome back to itslaroneppl. Wanted to do a quick survey of opinions in the comment section in regards to braid outs and twist outs. I recently did a twist out on my hair and I'm not really feeling the results that much. And I kind of want to see what you guys prefer on your hair, whether it's a braid out or a twist out. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. You can put team braid out if you're team braid out, or team twist out if you're team twist out in the comments. And so are you team braid out or are you team twist out? Which one? You team twist out, team braid out? These are my results right here. This is what my braid out looks like. This is what my twist out looks like. For me, in my case, I prefer the braid outs on me just because it's a little more defined and I enjoy definition. Maybe if I would have did my twist out a little bit bigger, I would have had way better results than I have right now. And yeah, but I kind of knew that going into this. I know I mentioned it in the other video about me having reservations about doing this style because it doesn't yield the same results as a braid out does for me. But you know, everybody's hair is different, so you may face different things. So let me know in the comment section below if you're team braid out or team twist out. Then I'll come back and share the results with you guys there in the next video, or in the follow-up video, because the next video probably won't be a braid out. Probably won't be a lock video, but you never know. You never know on this channel what you'll get. So until next time, y'all be easy.